Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a loop from Saw Cove to Bulbury and back along Devon's epic Atlantic coastal path.
What's going on?
Huge climbs and descents.
No cows. Aha, the Atlantic. Looking good. Ooh, bit of a drop down there, nice seas. I could take a path down there, but you know, I don't think there's much bloody point. It'd be a nightmare getting back out. Ah yes, beautiful. I mean seriously, check it out. I'm trying to put the throttle on without plugging the bike in. That's always hilarious. Yes, it's a very beautiful part of the world. I came here on my fat bike. Oh, look at that. I don't want to catch those people up. I'll just tootle along. Looks like I'm about to ride off into the sea, doesn't it? I've actually got full brakes on now. I'm a little bit concerned. Okay, bit steep, bit scary. No, I'm going to have to adjust the front brake. Take it easy. Nice and squeezy. Ah, the reveal shot, you can't beat it. Look at that. Just look at it. Jesus. I mean, really? Oh my God. That's a bit dodgy. Pretty serious waves there. What did I do that for? Oh. Well, there's an epic climb. Let's see if we can do it. Well, the motor's not hot, or the wires. It's just me. You have to put so much effort into trying to keep it in a straight line. Just a quick mooch up here.
It's mad to think that 50 years ago I rode these tracks on a BMX style bike with my cousin. I never would have guessed I'd be here all those years later on an electric version.
This is a hell of a climb, this. But you know, it seems to be coping at the moment. It's when I have to start helping it. That's when the wheelies start. You know what? That's not bad at all. Uh-oh. So let's have a look at the viewpoint. Don't ride over the edge. England's Atlantic coast. That bit's just definitely dropped away, isn't it? From here down to there. Bloody hell. That's Berg Island and Bantham over there. Dad lives that way somewhere. This should be a shortcut back to Saw Cove. Might be cows in here, soon find out. Ooh, that's a good speed. Look at that for an ancient wall, just made out of flat sheet rock. Oh, don't go near the cows. Oh, oh, oh my God, what an awesome path, if a little bumpy. Haha, tooting it. Oh, big boy. Oh, yes. This is the good stuff, isn't it? Oh, jeez. Oh, watch it. Oh, God. That was bad. Obviously, I should have ridden in the middle. I like it, though. I like it a lot. Thank you. Well, will you look at that? A shared path. Actually a proper bridleway, but it's not very exciting. Really? Is this for real? You don't want to be going quick on 20-inch wheels and no suspension when you can't really see the ground. But what the hell, let's go for it. Hey!
And back to the car park. What an absolutely epic ride. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week.